All right, so personally, and I can say this with confidence, food is always better than presents. With that being said, yeah, man, it's much better than presents. With that being said, we have Andre Stevens from Premier Kitchen who will help us to wow your guests this festive season. Andre, good morning.
Morning, morning, team. Welcome to Premier Kitchen.
Hi, Dre.
Andre,
Oh, Jesus, I'm just waking up. I'm really tired, but you know we have to get this done.
Andre, you're always tired. You're always tired.
It's the festive season, and as such, we're expected to do something that represents Christmas.
Yeah, what are you looking forward to most this season?
Rest.
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 Won't happen. That will never happen this season.
Well, true, but it's good when you're working in the season because, you know, COVID is around. Many people have been, you know, silenced by all of the COVID activities, but Premier Kitchen, we have been live and booming. There's always something creative, something bubbly, something that is extra and wow on Premier's Kitchen menu.
Yeah.
So today,
Before you go, Andre, you have a very unique story because Premier Kitchen started in March at the beginning of COVID.
yes, the day COVID came, which was the 10th of March, we opened on the 9th.
Yeah, what's it been like since then?
It has been a bittersweet occasion for us because, you know, many people have not been coming to work. Many people have been staying home, so we haven't seen the true potential of our customer base. However, we have been keeping. We have been surviving. And the funny thing about it is we always create something that creates a unique selling point. Right now, one of our biggest selling point is our blueberry rice. So you need to stop by one day, Debbie, for our blueberry confetti rice.
No, you not have to tell me twice, Andre. I'll be there. I'll be there next week early. But Andre, how are you infusing all the flavors, the traditional flavors of Christmas now, you know, into these unique meals that you're doing?
All right. So one of our signature sauces is our Sorrel guava sauce. So Sorrel is a big hit in Christmas. You want Sorrel juice, you want Sorrel cake, you want Sorrel wine, you want Sorrel biscuit, that. What we do at Premier Kitchen is we use guava infused with sorrel and we make a sorrel barbecue chicken. So you'll have the dash of ketchup, as you know. Let's go over to the fire. Can I have some oil, please?
So we're getting a full tour of your kitchen.
Yeah, we have to have that little tour. Kind of silent now, but we're still working.
Yeah, it's early morning, so it happens.
So we add a little blend pepper.
I feel like I need a paper and pen to write down this, you know. Excel.
Yeah, this look very technical. That look technical for me.
I get some ketchup, a dash of sugar, the garlic.
Andre, just talk to me while you're doing this. How can you make this Christmas stress-free for others?
All right. You can pre-package your meals with us to make it stress-free. So whilst you're home on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, we're in the kitchen working, ensuring that everybody have their sorrel ham. If you want a nice Campari stuffed chicken, all of those nice flavorful things with our potato medallion or three-style mac and cheese, you know, or gungo rice and peas flavored with some sorrel. We even have a sorrel rosemary rice. So you can definitely have those things. Then what we'll do to this now is add some jerk seasoning.
Andre, you know, some never know say could I cook. I know you're more for fashion than anything else.
But Andre, some of these flavors that you're talking about, you know, Campari stuffed chicken. In my mind, how do you stuff a chicken with Campari? Because Campari is a liquid thing.
No, Debbie, in everything you do, you know, there is a procedure. If I give up a procedure, you're not going to come for the Christmas dinner.
That is true. Because if it's me, I'd just put the buckle of Campari in that chicken.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm stuffing that chicken down the buckle with a Campari buckle right over the chicken. That's it.
Here's it. This is the Lady Sue jerk seasoning. This is done by my mommy.
Okay.
Nice.
So we use this jerk seasoning now. We add the sorrel to reduce.
But Andre, what heap of cooking you are going with then, man?
Yeah, man. You will enjoy it.
Yeah, I mean, as I said before, I know you as fashion, you know. I don't know you much as a chef, even though I've been to Premier Kitchen a couple times.
Jack of all trades.
So Andre,
And here is the sorry guava sauce now.
and how long something like this normally takes to whip up though?
Alright. So if you want to do a nice barbecue chicken, right? You just fry the chicken. You know, a fried chicken takes you like 20 to 25 minutes to be done. You make the sorrel sauce, you infuse it, then you just add the chicken into this, put it in the oven for the next 5 minutes, so, and you have a nice barbecue chicken.
Ooh, you can do that extra?
I can try.
Can you fry chicken?
I can try. One thing I know that I'm good at in the kitchen is eating the food.
Yeah.
For
So
sure.
if you try the sorrel barbecue chicken you having now extra, you see the flavors
But
coming.
Andre, you know me not eat chicken. Why I do this on the TV?
No, temptation is good enough, my friend.
Exactly. And at Christmas you're supposed to can,
Yeah, I should have a
try
cheat meal.
something.
Yeah. For those who are wanting to get your services this season, how do they get in touch with you?
Well, definitely you can find us at Premier Kitchen JA. And you can call us at 669-8537. We're located in the digital food court, downtown waterfront. So this is a sorrel chicken. So what you would do now, it's not finished. What you would do now is put this in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. Let it really soak so the skin of the chicken can really have the essence of the sorrel.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And then you will touch this now, or you would kiss it
Kiss it.
with either some potato medallion or some porridge.
Oh, so you kiss it. All right. I understand the kiss part.
Yeah, so
But you
wanna
sent
try
some
this.
food for us this morning. So some pre-pack.
This is sealed properly.
Yeah, properly sealed.
Properly sealed.
So-
I think I got that.
I think Debbie has the chicken.
I think I got the chicken. It
So
looks
alright, for the lobster now,
Yes.
it's a simple process. The lobster is pre-grilled.
Mm.
So you would have grilled the lobster,
feel like I don't have to.
and then we're going to do one simple process. The kitchen can be a bit confusing at times.
Yes.
So here is it.
Yeah, but Andre, I want to know how you come up with all these things. Just in your head, because you have some very crazy names for what you do with the food.
Alright, so them say I'm a crazy person.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, really.
Yes, you are.
But you see, food is art. Art is food. Just like the fashion world, you have to be creative to keep your customers alive. So what we do in our kitchen is always have something different and unique, so our customers gradually come back each week. That's why you always hear, I don't know, it's because you say you don't want to really try to get much weight, why you stop from the premiere. But we do something that keeps them coming. So for this dish now, it is simple. You grill the lobster and you put it in a nice yakitori sauce. That is simple garlic.
Oh my god.
Andre, this lobster bad.
Ginger,
This lobster is bad. Mm.
and you just add a little soya sauce.
Well-
We use a premium mushroom sauce.
Yeah. Well, Andre,
And a little sugar.
I must say I'm really proud of you because to take a step like this during COVID and to be where you are now, it takes a lot.
We have to do something.
It does.
The thing that keeps us going is our mantra and philosophy is get comfortable, be uncomfortable. So we continuously see to it that we do something that keeps us pushing. So all you need to do now is adding the grilled lobster tail.
Yeah, but Andre, I think I'm going to run left this morning, you know.
You're really running leave me?
Yeah,
All right,
because
no
we're
problem.
running out of time, but thank you so much.
It's a real eat and
Alright.
leave kind of vibe, Andre. Sorry, but let me tell you something. This chicken is so
Uh-huh.
good. And this is not just macaroni and cheese here. It's macaroni and cheese infused with a whole heap of things. So,
I can't tell you the full ingredients for the macaroni.
We
I'm
know.
tasting it. It's lovely. It's lovely. I love
But
it.
definitely find us at Premier Kitchen JA, or You can definitely find us at 669-8537 for all Christmas catering. So thanks for making it Premier Kitchen and please to have a blessed morning. Blessed.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks, Andre.
Thank you, Andre. Yummy, 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 delicious, guys. Let's relax and take it easy this Christmas and let Premier Kitchen cater for you. That was Andre Stevens from Premier Kitchens. And let me tell you something, the food is delicious. Okay, try it.